The Ghost. Once deep in the forest there was a ghost, and his name was Spook. He would come out at night and send email to people like you and I. This what he said: if you don't turn this email into 20 people before midnight, you will turn into stone forever. Most POP did not believe all this. They thought it was a prank. So guess what? They were turned into stone. My years went by and everyone didn't believe the email. But one day a girl named Megan was a detective and heard about people turning into stone. One day she got the email and did what it said, and the next morning and nothing had happened to her. So she told all the people from King Arthur's kingdom to email 20 people like it said, and so they did, and nothing happened. So she finally unsolved the mysteries of the email, and many years went by and they all stayed alive. Then the ghost Spook got real mad, so he sent another email: if you don't send 20 gold coins into me in one day, you will have to be my slave forever. So many years went, and the kingdom tried to contact Megan, but she had died 3 years ago. Then they heard that she had a daughter, Max, also have become a detective too. So they contacted Max, and she came to their rescue. When a Spook heard that they had a detective, he remembered what had happened before. When he realized Max was Megan's daughter, he turned red. He got real mad. So when Max got there, she said the only way to stop this crap is to kill the ghost, and the only way to kill a ghost is to make it come into the light. So the next day, they all were ready to go kill the ghost, and 30 men of walking, they finally got to his home. They went inside and they saw him. He started to chase him. An hour after chasing him around the house, finally they had got him outside, and he flew into the sunlight and the ghost melted. So that was the end of the ghost Spook, and Max became the most famous detective in the world.